Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by gathering exact ingredients and tools so you move smoothly through each step. You need 250 g mascarpone, 3 large eggs separated, and 1/2 cup granulated sugar for the Zabagliani-style cream. Brew 1 cup of very strong espresso and dissolve 2 tablespoons sugar into it. Allow the coffee to cool to lukewarm. Line a 9x 13-inch dish or similar shallow pan. Measure out 24 ladyfingers and have 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa ready for dusting, plus an electric mixer and 2 mixing bowls. Begin the cream by whisking 3 egg yolks with 1/2 cup sugar over a bain-marie until warm and slightly thickened, then beat until pale and ribbon-like. Remove from heat and cool briefly, then fold in 250 g mascarpone until the texture is smooth and lump-free. Do not overbeat. In a separate clean bowl, whip the 3 egg whites to stiff peaks, achieving glossy, stable peaks. Gently fold 1/3 of the whites into the mascarpone to loosen, then fold in the remainder carefully to keep air for a light, stable cream. To assemble, quickly dip each of the 24 ladyfingers for about 1 second in the cooled espresso. Do not soak or they become soggy. Arrange a single layer of dipped ladyfingers in the 9x 13-inch dish, spread half of the mascarpone cream evenly, then repeat with a second layer of dipped fingers and the remaining cream. Smooth the surface, sift 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa over the top, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight to firm. Serve chilled. This recipe yields about 8 portions and keeps covered up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.